today we're going to eat my food. So this is my biscuit, and this is my biscuit more, and this is my pizza, and this is I am going to eat a lollipop with the cake. So this is not a pizza. So this one is a pumpkin, and this one is an apple, and more pumpkin, and orange, and beets, and sour spray candy, and I have a juice on my table, and don't forget the salt at my food. So every day, and this is the bread, and this is the apple, and the strawberry, and the macarons, and the what's this? And this is
I don't know what's that. Okay.
This is a mango what I eat every
Okay.
day, and this is baked good steak, and meat up recipe what I cook, and I need to put some bread, and my recipe is good, so everyone is going to taste my recipe, and my noodles, and my sopa, and my juice of sopas, and more juice what I eat today. Yum. It's very yummy, and I'm going to eat the carrot and a water. I'm going to drink, and I have a blender here, so of course I'm going to drink. Okay, let's start it, guys. First, I need to eat the slice some cookie. Guys, this is a new recipe. It's good. Yummy. Guys, today we're going to eat this. Yum. Like my food, and you spray a sour cup here, and I'm going to eat it now, okay? Guys, we're starting. This is my biscuit, guys. Okay, guys, it's yummy. Guys, it's yummy, so I never eat that before. And this cake. Guys, it's very yummy. Okay, guys, my fruit is this one. It's very juicy, guys. Okay, guys, today we're going to start on this candy sour spray. Lemon sour. Kitty, what are you doing? Okay, guys, see you next week. Bye. See you on holiday. Have a nice day.